Hello kids, welcome to you in Kids and Color. Let's draw a police van. First, we will draw the tires of the van. One tire. Now the second tire. The second tire of the van. Now we will draw the body of the van. With a black marker, we will draw the body of the van. This is ready. Light of our police van. Two handle to open the door. Backlight of the van. Now let's together color it. Gray color. Black color for the tire. Black color. Here also black color. Red color for the light. Here also red color. Dark blue color. Sky blue color for the windows. Sky blue color for window. Color it dark blue color. Dark blue color for our police van. See, our van is ready. A blue police van. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.